Did you know a mother spent decades building her son an empire, and he thanked her by having her killed? Agrippina the Younger was one of the sharpest political minds in all of Rome. She survived exile, outlasted enemies, and worked every alliance she had to climb back to the center of power. She married the Emperor Claudius. Then, in 54 AD, she poisoned him, slipped mushrooms laced with toxin into his meal, and watched Rome pass to her teenage son, Nero. She had engineered this moment for years. Every marriage, every exile she arranged, every rival she destroyed, it all led here. But Nero had been watching her his entire life. He had learned exactly how power worked. And once he had it, he no longer needed her. 5 years after taking the throne, Nero sent assassins to her home. She was stabbed to death by the very system she had built. Agrippina created the most dangerous person in the world. She just forgot he was watching her do it.